Them youngers, they be talking, don't come in these hallways. And we be on the block making money all day, yeah. Playing with the rocks, put the money.
Hello everyone. So today's video is actually going to be a makeup tutorial. This is my first tutorial I'm posting on this channel. I'm so excited. And it's actually centered around the colored Raine Vivid Pressed Pigments palette. And here's the palette, the inside of the palette, just so you guys can see. And yeah, this is an all matte palette, but as you see, I don't have an all matte look. So I did dip into my Lime Crime Venus 3 palette and my Natasha Denona Eris palette, just for the 2 shimmer shades that I use. So if you guys would like to see this tutorial, stay tuned and thank you for watching. So first, I'm starting by priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot with a flat synthetic brush. Next, I'm applying the shade Unbothered from the Vivid Pigments palette slightly above my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm taking a smaller blending brush with the shade Sauce and applying it directly into my crease. Here I'm just building up the intensity until I like it and going back over with the shade Unbothered to blend. Now with the Precise Tapered brush, I'm placing the shade Perp Smurf on my inner and outer corners to create that halo effect. And once again, I'm going back and forth between the 3 shades to build up the intensity and make sure everything's blended. Here I'm just applying what's left of the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot that was on that flat synthetic brush onto the center of my lids, just so this shade Beam from the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette has something to stick to. And once again, more blending. had to do my eyeliner off camera, but I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner to create my wing. Here I'm just dusting off the excess powder I had under my eyes. And now I'm bronzing my face with the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm applying the MAC Soft Liquid Paint Pot on my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with Perp Smurf closest to the lash line and sauce underneath it to smoke it out. To line my lower lash line, I'm using the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Black. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the shade Cute from the Vivid Pigments palette. And right on top of Cute, I'm going in with the shade Beam from the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. And on top of Beam, I'm going in with the lightest shade from the Natasha Denona Heiress palette. Now I'm priming my lashes with the Essence Volume Booster, and I'm applying the Lashes of the Day mascara right on top of it. For highlighter, I use Becca's Prosecco Pop. I lined my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Espresso, then went on top of it with Urban Decay's Stark Naked Matte Lipstick and finished it off with the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss Bomb. Spray a little Fix Plus and the look is complete. And here's the finished look close up. Thank you guys so much for watching.